Hello and welcome to BoardgameNinja. This is a quick rules explainer for the game Codenames. A run through of the rules in just 3 minutes so you can start playing straight away. So let's dive right in. This is the new edition of Codenames. It's been given a fresh modern look and the word list has been fine-tuned so you won't run into those weird words that never quite fit. Codenames is a game of spies, clues and deduction. 2 teams compete to find all their secret agents first, guided by the clues from their Spymaster. Their Spymaster knows everything but can only give limited clues. Split into 2 teams, red and blue, and choose a Spymaster for each. Spymasters sit on one side of the table, their teammates, the field operatives, sit opposite. Lay out 25 codename cards in a 5x5 grid. Then draw a key card and place it in the stand, visible only to the Spymasters. This card shows which codenames belong to which team, and more importantly, which one hides the assassin. The key card matches the grid on the table. Red squares are red agents and blue squares are blue agents. Beige squares are innocent bystanders. And the single black square, that's the assassin. Reveal that one and your team instantly loses. The key card also shows which team goes first. That team has a slight head start, but they also need to find 1 extra agent to win. Spymasters take turns giving a clue, 1 single word followed by a number. The word should hint at as many of their agents' codenames as possible. The number tells the team how many words the clue relates to. Then the operatives discuss, guess, and point to cards, 1 at a time. For example, the red Spymaster sees 3 red agents on the board: Moon, Alien, and Mars. They say space 3. The red team discusses and guesses. As long as you guess correctly, you can keep going, up to the number given plus 1 extra if you like. You can even guess words that weren't part of the intended clue, as long as they're the right color, maybe to catch up on previous rounds or take a risky gamble. Or you can stop anytime after your first guess. Just say that you're done. But at least 1 guess is required. Each agent that was guessed correctly is covered with your team's color. But a wrong guess can reveal an opponent's agent, an innocent bystander, or worse, the assassin, which ends the game on the spot. If your team hits a wrong card, your turn ends immediately. When your team uncovers all of its agents, you win. Or if the other team accidentally finds your last agent, you win on their mistake. Now you are ready to start playing or play again. Subscribe so you can find us again for the next time. Good luck and game on!